So the customer wanted their Windows 7 machine upgrading to Windows 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is back up the whole computer using Macrium Reflect to an external hard disk. I've booted Macrium Reflect from a USB stick, and I've got an external 1TB hard drive plugged into the USB port as well. So what we need to do is choose backup. So what I'm doing here, I've got ticked the whole disk, and it says select source drive and image destination. So the source is the whole hard disk, the destination will be the 1TB external disk, which is there. So click on that, choose F, so click next, let's check everything is correct. It's all the different partitions, click finish, and that's it, testing disk write speed. So now we've just got to leave that running. So Reflect has finished checking the disks and analysing them, and now, as you can see, if I zoom in a bit more, it says it's going to take 2 hours and 21 minutes. So it's just now a matter of leaving it running to do its work, and I'll get back to you later. Okay, that's the backup finish. So now we just click OK, close that down, unplug everything and boot up again. Right, now we're going to install the Windows 10 upgrade. So what we need to do is install the USB stick, wait for the computer to recognise it, and we double click on the USB stick, open it up, click on setup, yes. Here we go, this is checking for updates, so I just need to leave this running. Booting up the PC that's been updated from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Have a look here at the settings. Okay, so that's all done.